our ideal senior high school boy and ideal senior high school girl who possess the quality of being a good leader. Leadership. Dalawang ito na ideal senior high school boy at ideal senior high school girl ay pinili ng bawat mag-aaral at pinili ng bawat guro. Pinili rin ng kanilang mga kaibigan para mabigyan ng parangal bilang natatanging senior high school girl and senior high school boy. Ladies and gentlemen, please all welcome the awarding of ideal senior high school students. Hindi po nila alam kung sino ang nanalo. Ngayon lamang po nila ito malalaman. Isang sorpresa award na nakuha sa pamamagitan ng pagboto ng mga estudyante at mga guro sa First Seminary National High School. Palakpakan natin kung dalawang ito.
Senior male and female student will also be receiving Vice Chair, Madam Elsa Pronda. So we'd like also to call on stage Madam Elsa and the SSB officers to give the gift to our ideal senior male and female students.
Thank you.
Department of Education, Pangasinan Division 2, Brisemin Agro-Industrial High School, Agla, Pangasinan. Certificate of Recognition is hereby awarded to in full commendation of parental responsibility exemplified as parents, guardian of Teacher John B. Eugenio, a Yale Senior High School student of the school year 2019-2020. This attests to the community of learners that in a home environment were intellectual, moral. Elmer D. Posidero, Principal 3. Likewise, the parents of Ms. Jenny Gordovilla will also receive a certificate of recognition.